Hello and welcome to English Bytes. In this video, we are discussing the word salubrity. Salubrity has 4 syllables. In British English, we pronounce it as salubrity, salubrity, salubrity. In American English, we pronounce it as salubrity, salubrity, salubrity. Salubrity means the quality or state of being healthy or promoting good health. It's used to describe things that are beneficial, such as healthy habits, environments, or conditions. The example sentences are: Number 1. Regular exercise promotes the salubrity of the body and mind. Number 2. A nice and clean environment enhances the salubrity of people living in a home. Synonyms of salubrity are healthiness, wellness, fitness. The antonyms are unhealthiness, sickness, impurity. This word is a noun. Common preposition used with the word salubrity is of, and the other prepositions are with and by. Thanks for watching.